Hi guys, welcome to Code Bashers. So guys, before moving ahead with the video, just a quick announcement. So this particular question was asked today in the Accenture hiring, that is nearest integer. So guys, in past few videos, I am telling you guys that just go through the playlist of Accenture coding question in which I have discussed the actually asked coding questions in Accenture in previous hirings. So this question was already discussed in my playlist in one of these videos, that is the nearest integer. So if earlier you had watched this video, then you were able to solve this question because this question repeated as it is. So if you still have Accenture exam in coming days, so make sure that you are watching all the videos that are present in this particular playlist so that you can get the idea of the questions that can be asked. Okay, so I hope this thing is clear to you. And guys, do join our Telegram groups also, because continuously we post updates about different hiring. If you are facing different issues and different solutions, we post there. So make sure that you are joining those channels also. So guys, now let's start this video, and before starting the video, please hit the like button. Okay, so guys, in this video, I will be discussing the coding question, that is number of cards in a pyramid. So many of you were requesting me to make the video on this particular question. This particular question is slightly on the easier side. So make sure that you're watching this video to the end so that you can get to know the approach of the question, how we have to solve this question in the exam. So now let's start our video, and like we will follow the same pattern. First of all, I will describe what is the question, then I will tell you the approach of those questions with the help of the example, and finally I will do the coding part of this particular question. So let's just start with the reading of the question. So question here is number of cards in the pyramid. Find the number of total cards used for building pyramids are shown in the following figure. Okay, so these are pyramids that have been formed using cards. So here you can see that for the on the first image, so this is a level 3 pyramid, that is there are three levels, one level, two level and three level. So this is a three level pyramid that have been made with the help of cards. Next image, that is the second image, you can see there are only two levels, this is first level and this is third level. Okay, so see, this is a two level pyramid that have been made with the help of the cards. Now in our question, what we have to return, what we have to find, so we have to find the total number of cards that are used for building the pyramid of the given level. So how many level of pyramid that will be given to you, so it will be as an input. So for example, input is 3, so 3 means that 3 level pyramid has been formed. So now you will have to find the number of cards that have been used for making that pyramid. Okay, so let's just move ahead with reading the question. Okay, now you are required to implement the following function. As I've told you, in Accenture hiring, only function you have to implement, no input you have to take, nothing you have to take, it will be all be managed by their side, just the function you will have to implement. Okay, the function accepts an integer n as its argument. The integer n denotes the level of the pyramid. You are required to calculate the number of cards required to build the pyramid. So as I have told you, so this is level 2 pyramid, this is level 3 pyramid. So we will be given the level number in the input. This n denotes the level. So if it will be 3, then it means that level 3 pyramid is formed. So now we have to find the number of cards that have been used in forming this particular pyramid. Okay, so moving ahead, let's just now quickly jump on to the examples, that how what are the examples and how we can find that how many cards are there. Okay, so as I've told you, this question is slightly on the easier side only, so it will not take much of the effort in understanding this particular question. So now we are here. Okay, so here I have taken three examples. Let me just do font size as 18. Okay, so I have taken three examples here. So first is level 1 pyramid, second one is level 2 pyramid, and third one is level 3 pyramid. So let's just understand how to find the number of cards in each of the levels pyramids. So here in level 1, we know that only two cards are there, so we will simply write 2 here. Okay, I am just currently writing number of cards we are used, and then we will break down that how we have to solve for the nth level. Now coming to level 2. So when we are coming to level 2, see, when level 1 was there, so only one triangle was there in that level. Okay, now coming to level 2, so in level 2 also level 1 will be there, and then additional is level 2. So I am repeating again. So in level 1, only single level is there. You can see here single level is there. Okay. And when we are coming to level 2, there are two levels. So first level from level 1 is there, and next these second level has been added new. So how many cards have been added in the level 2 only? Not in level 1, just level 2, how many cards have been added? So the cards have been added are these two triangles are there, that is 4 cards. Okay, 4 cards are there. Then this one card that is placed horizontally here, that is joining these two triangles. So this card is there. So 4 plus 1. So these 5 cards have been added in level 2 extra. Plus we have to find the total number of cards in level 2 plus the number of cards we have taken from level 1, because level 1 cards also we have to add in here. So card 1, number of cards from level 1. So 4 plus 1 plus level 1 will give us 5 plus 2, that is 7. So I hope this thing is clear to you. If it is still not clear, let me just increase this font. If it is still not clear, let me just explain with the help of level 3. Okay, now I'm moving ahead to level 3. Again, the font is some problem. Okay, so now level 3. So as I have told you, when we are on current level 3, so we have to find total number of cards for a level 3 pyramid. We know that this is level 1, this is level 2, and this is level 3. So currently, first of all, our aim is to find that how many cards have been used in forming level 3 only. Okay, how many cards have been used for level 3 only. So level 3 is, you can see in level 3 there are 3 triangles. Okay, in level 3 there are 3 triangles. So 3 into 2, because each triangle consists of 2 cards, so 3 into 2, that are 6. Okay, 6. Then plus there are 2 horizontal cards which are acting as hut. So these two are the cards. So 2 cards are there that are acting as hut. So plus 2, so this gives us 8. So only level 3 has added 8 cards extra. But we have to find overall cards. So level 3 has additionally added 8 cards, plus level 1 and level 2 are also present. So what will be the total count of level 2? Level 2 plus level 1, it will be 7, as we have found it above. So 8 plus total cards of level 2, that will give us 8 plus 7 equivalent to 15. So I hope now this thing is clear to you, that how we are calculating the card. For every level, first individually we will find the number of cards that are required to make pyramid on that level only. That is, in this case 3 was there. So we have founded, first of all our step was to find how many cards have been used to create that level only. So 3 into 2, because 2 cards will form this triangle, plus these 2 cards which are acting as horizontal. And then once we have found the particular level, now we have to find the total cards. So these cards at level 3 plus the total cards of level 2. Total cards of level 2 were 7, as we have found earlier, so there were total is 15. So if I generalize this thing, because see, we are writing programs, so we have to somewhere generalize the equation. So if I generalize the equation is simple. What is the equation? Let me tell you. The equation is very simple, that is 2 into I, 2 into current level, 2 into current level plus n minus 1 plus total cards at level current level minus 1. So this is the current equation. So 2 into current level, if we will see for the level 3, so 2 into current level, that is 2 into 3, that is 6, that will give us 6. Now plus n minus 1. Why we have done n minus 1? To find these horizontal cards. So n minus 1 here will give us 2. Okay. So n minus 1 will give here 2 plus the total cards at level current level minus 1. So that means current level minus 1 is level 2. Total cards at level 2, that is 7. It will give us 15. So this is the generalized equation that we will have to use, to find the total cards at the current level. Now for, see here in this equation, the total cards at level current level minus 1 are also used. So therefore we will have to maintain that at every level, what are the total number of cards that are being used for story, that have been used to form the pyramid of that level. So we will store this in an array. We will store the number of cards that are required for level 1 also, then level 2 also, and then level 3 also. So I hope now the approach is clear to you. If you still have doubts, let's quickly move towards the coding part. the things will become more clear once you see the code. So let's just now move towards the coding part. Okay, so guys, the code is very simple. Let's just read it line by line. And again, I've told you, you just have to implement the function and not the entire input and output. You will not have to take care by yourself. So here we have taken int n as input. N means the level. That is for which level we have to find the total number of cards. Okay, so again, there are some base cases. If our n value is 0, that is there are 0 levels in the pyramid, then how many cards we will be requiring? It is 0 only. That is simply we will return 0. Now if n is equal to 1, that is if level is equal to 1, then how many cards we will have to how many total cards will be there? There will be just 2 cards, one here and one here. So we have simply returned 2 from here. Next is, now we have to find the total number of cards that are required to create an n level pyramid. Okay, so for that I have told you how we will proceed using this approach. Okay, for now, as I've told you, for every level we will have to store the value of total cards that is required to form that level pyramid. So for that only we have described this array. Okay, so we have taken it n plus 1. I will tell you the reason why we have taken this n plus 1 later. So see, now the first value, that is error of 0, will represent the total number of cards for 0th level, that is 0 only. Now the error of 1 will represent the total number of cards for the 1 level pyramid, that is 2 only. Now what we'll do, we will iterate over the rest of the levels till n, because we have to find, in the end we have to find the total number of cards in the nth level pyramid. Okay, and now for every iteration what we'll do, we will find the total number of cards that are required, for forming the pyramid for the current level, that is for the ith level. So as I've told you, this is the it is the simple equation that we'll be using. 2 into current level, that is 2 into I, plus I minus 1, that I told you, n minus 1, that are the horizontal cards. Okay, plus the total cards at the level current minus 1, that is the total cards at the level 1 before. So therefore error of 1 minus I minus 1. So once we have done the total of it, we have to do mod of this value, because this particular thing is given in the question also, that you have to return the answer mod 1 5 times 0 7. Okay, so using this we have found the total number of cards that are required for the ith level. Similarly, once the loop is over, the ARR of n will contain the value that total how many total number of cards are required for forming pyramid at the nth level. Now see, we are returning ARR of n here. So for finding, see, 0th level is there and we have to find the nth level also. But if we will define the array of size n only, then the last index will be n minus 1. The last index will be n minus 1. So in that case, we will only be able to store the values till the n minus 1th level. But currently we want the total number of cards at the nth level. Therefore, we have defined an array as n plus 1. So I hope now this thing is clear to you, why we have taken n plus 1 as the array. So there are multiple approaches for solving this question. There are simpler approaches also, there is complex approaches also. So this approach I found suitable, that will be understood by all. So therefore I have used this approach in this video. So let's just now quickly run some test cases. Let's just see, let's just input as 3, that is 3 level, and let's just see that how many cards are required at the level 3. So ideally the answer should come out to be 15. So here you can see the output is coming as 15. If we will give 2 here, so answer should come as 7. Let's just see if it is working or not. But according to me, it should work, and this code will pass all the test cases that will be given to you. And guys, if you have not subscribed to the channel until now, please subscribe it and do hit the like button for this video, as these videos take a lot of effort for in construction. Okay, so here you can see that output is coming as 7. This is our expected output. So I hope now the entire question, approach and solution is clear to you. And again, I'm reminding you, the questions from this playlist are repeating, so do not forget to watch this playlist after watching this video. All the relevant links you will find in the description box. So thank you for watching this video, and we will meet in the next video now.